Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop for part 2 of the welding cart from scrap. Today I'm going to finish putting wheels on it, and I was going to paint it, but it's not quite warm enough, so we're not going to paint it today, but we will get the 2 welders put on it and show you all what it turned out to be. Hang on. Alright y'all, got the wheels all welded on it. It rolls real nice. The rattling you hear is just the sheet metal pieces laying on there. Should be okay once I get the weight of the welder on it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the flux core down there. Truth, will it fit? Oh yeah, it fits nice. Oh yeah. Got the cord set through there. Oh yeah. Alright. Let me grab the other welder and we'll get that one set on there. So bring y'all right back. Alright y'all. There we go, we got the miller sitting up on top there. One thing I may do is I might move the miller down because the miller is a heavier machine. It's a little I don't want to say top heavy, but I think the Lincoln would do better on top. Put the miller down on the bottom, get the weight lower. But I'm happy. I'm happy with the way it turned out. You know. It rolls. Just put your foot on the bottom here. You get it to roll a little bit because I'm rolling over this extension cord. But yeah, the only thing I have left to do is I do want to go to Hobo Freight and grab me a couple ratchet straps, put it around them just to keep them from moving around. They shouldn't move around, but you never know. So you know, yeah, I'm real happy. We got the place back here for the gas bottle. I just got my Lincoln leads kind of wrapped up around there for right now. I do have some expanded steel to put on this bottom shelf. Set the bottom on and throw my gloves and stuff in the bottom. It's out in the junk pile outside, and it's kind of buried, so it's got to take me a little while to get it dug out and that, but it ain't no big thing. Get it, cut it with a grinder, drop it in there, maybe put a couple tack welds on it, and we should be good. So yeah, I'm happy. Of course the welders do have to come back off once it warms up a little bit so I can get the whole thing painted. But yeah, I'm real happy with the way it turned out. So yeah, awesome. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. Appreciate y'all hanging out, watching me work on this stuff here and getting that cart all welded up. Appreciate all the support you all have given me over the years. Really truly do, you know, it warms my heart seeing all the views and everything. Just thank you very much. I do want to do one little PSA. The last time I was out here welding on this thing, it was cooler out, upper 30s, lower 40s. Had the doors and everything all closed. I was welding galvanized, and I got a really bad upper respiratory infection from that. It's not good to breathe that stuff in no matter what time of the year it is. If you have to weld galvanized, do it in a well ventilated area. Try not to do it at all. Don't do like I do. One of the projects that I will be building in the future is a fume exhauster. I've checked them out. You can get one for a couple $100, but it's me, you know, it's my garage. We're gonna build one. I can build it a whole lot better probably than what you can buy a cheap one for. So just be careful, guys. Flux, especially when you're using a flux welder too. Don't breathe that flux gas fumes in. Sorry about all the traffic. That's not good for you either. Like I said, after I got done doing it, I could feel it in the back of my nose, back of my throat and everything. And a day or so later, it's down in my chest, coughing my head off, missed a couple days work from it, so yeah, it just sucks, so don't do it, you know. There, you have it. So anyways, appreciate you all watching. Again, please, if you like the video, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do out here in the shop, at the tractor pulls, and when we go live on Sunday nights at 7 p.m. Oh, and the cooking videos. Don't forget about the cooking videos. Those are really taking off too, so glad you all are liking them. So anyways, appreciate you all, love you all, and remember, keep wrenching.